What's up, guys? So, real quick, I was not expecting this, but it got here really quick, all the way from Russia. We got the ducktail. We got the rivet gun too. We got the screws that we're gonna use. On red, we're gonna leave this black. I just paint gloss black. Now we're getting rid of all the batches. So I just pretty much rubbed some glue gun in there, and I'm gonna let it chill for a little bit, and then try to remove them. Then from there, this is a quick look into what's gonna look like. We got the wifey helping today. Say hello to the channel, babe.
Hi.
They knew the baby, but they didn't know you. Sick. I'm not gonna clean off the letters. I took the lettering from here. I'm just gonna clean up this right here. So the only thing visible right here. What do you guys think? I think it's gonna look so sick. What do you think, babe?
I think so too.
This is where we were at. I got my first hole in already. I got my spots already. I'm gonna start with the two on the side. Then just drop it in the way I make sure that I drill the holes on these ones first. I hold it in place, and I measured it out of this, both sides. So I'm gonna put this one and this one, throw it on, try it on. This one's not riveted in yet, but the hole is in there. So I'm gonna do that, make it happen, and we'll see how this goes in a little bit. I'm gonna try to show you guys how this rivet gun works. We're gonna, you insert this one in here, all the way in. If you see, with this one, you pull it in. So this thing right here gets shrink and leaves the metal right in between the two pieces right here, and that's what makes it tight. See, we already have this one right here. It's already on, not going anywhere. And we're gonna do this one right here to show you guys real quick. Screw it all the way in there. You don't need a lot of pressure on this. Check my hand out. You gotta do it straight for sure though. There it is, the squeeze. And if you guys see, it's already on. So now we just gotta remove this thing out. And ready with number 2. You got the first two right here, right here. This one's I got on Amazon. I'll send you guys the link, both for the gun and for the screws. I'll leave the link. I forgot what they were called, but I'll leave the link. There's some expensive ones. This one's I got. There you go. You see, I think I like it a lot. You know, and you can always change this once. As long as you know for sure the measurement on the rivet gun. The one that I got, it has all of them, you know. The ones that I put on there are M6, but they come with all kinds of M6, M5s, M7s, I believe. The biggest ones, the M8s. So it's pretty cool. Here you go, the rest of those, the screws. And right now, I got those in, and got this one's just tapped in a little bit. I'm gonna remove it again and do the rest of them and put it all on. And when you guys get to this hose right here, you guys don't even need to put any pressure on this. So no pressure at all. Just let it go all the way through. So we got both sides now, both ends. So now we're just tapping all the holes. So it's a smaller drill bit from the ones on top than the bottom we need, but one right now is just to create those guide points that'll tell us where to make the hole at. It ain't going nowhere. quick angle. Sick.